That's it. That's all I got. What about Ben?
There's a Desert Storm veteran over here. He's got the full head to toe UV cover going.
So you got any jokes? You want a joke? I got one. What's pink and fluffy?
I give.
Pink fluff.
Pink fluff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's blue and fluffy?
Blue fluff.
Pink fluff holding its breath.
Oh. And we'll be back.
What do you got?
Decent. Very nice. Very nice.
The worm still, huh? Still the worm. Worm dominates in the heat of the summer doldrums.
Awesome.
Yeah, eat it. How many you got?
I don't know, there's like 10 or 12. Figured I have them. Or whatever. Yeah, he caught them right there.
Alright, damn. Let's see him. See him, guy. Hey. Oh, hell no.
Get your heart out.
Hey, eat your heart out. Let me back up. Hang on a minute. Try not to fall in the water. With Mom's nice, new, expensive camera. Okay. That's a good one on the spinnerbait. Spinnerbait and the worm all day.
All day long.
All day long.
Summertime.
Nice.
Pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I have a big old pile of guts.
Okay, worm, spinnerbait. Take your choice. What do you want?
Very nice. Good job.
We need to start culling some.
Yeah, one more. Sorry, that knocked him out. Okay. Ooh, bell. Figure while I'm at it. Oh.
Adam,
Oh.
you're embarrassing yourself.
What?
On camera, man.
What do you mean?
I'm just kidding. Any words of advice from a pro?
Not today. How about you, Ben?
Have fun, man.
Another spring up in there, but it's swampy.
About time for another dip.
Yeah, no doubt.
Hook set in motion. Wait, no. Nope, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know. Just never know.
The cut's right up there, ain't it?
That's on down.
Huh.
This is a good little stretch down to that tree.
Yeah.
Grass and stuff out here. Fish that, then we'll kick it on into the back lake. See what's back there. Oh man, it feels so good.
Yeah. Got to be my turn.
I could urinate. You might want to go on the other side of the boat.
Alright.
Relief. That's how I spell it.
Bye-bye. See you later. Ready to hook him?
Yeah, I was once one.
Oh, I just touched grass.
Ooh.
Ooh, maybe it's an alligator.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
You typing?
No. What are you doing is the question. And what is Ben doing? I can't see because of your head. It looks like something lucrative. Secret.
Kind of knots. What are we doing? Give us a narrative.
So we're going a little light and we're changing up. We're bassed out. We've only got 14 in a live well.
Yeah. Pathetic. Shade break. A little bit of bread. Say that again.
Fuck you.
He set the hook and the reel come off. Still got the fish on, it looks like.
Why am I moving?
I don't know, why are you moving? You gonna pull him in by hand? Need a hand? He gone. Oh, there he is. That's a fisherman. Filipino style.
On the frog.
On the frog. I missed 2 or 3 so far on that dang frog.
Why are we fucking racing?
Current, I reckon. He's dark. He's a cutie.
So you wonder.
Nice
Had to work
fish.
for him.
Good job.
We need to,